Well, staying on with the women in sports, the under-23 national women volleyball took a lot of positives from their World Cup participation in Slovenia, despite their dismal performance against more established teams.
The team finished last following the 4-0 defeats to Brazil, Bulgaria, Turkey, Cuba and Japan. Turkey won the tournament, demolishing host Slovenia in the finals.
Vile tulienda Slovenia, tulicheza vizuri, we give it out to our best and we got good experience over there.
Na competition ilikuwa tough sana.
Ilikuwa tough but tulijaribu yetu yote.
I would describe the level in Slovenia to be very high compared to our African championships here. That's a world championship, high level tournament of course. And I would say the girls played well. You could see the scoreline was not badly off. With the kind of preparation we have around here in Kenya, it's very difficult. We need to up our preparation, maybe have international friendly matches. Like they do, the Slovenian team was in camp for about 18 months. You can imagine they finished second. That was a great achievement to that team, and it's the first time Slovenia is on the map of volleyball now.